Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing the no shooting challenge. Let's begin. So today we'll be doing the no shooting challenge, but it doesn't count. I should not hit brawlers, but if I have some time I can just collect boxes, but I can't shoot brawlers, but I can use my gadget against them. And this colt isn't leaving me alone. Come on, man, I can't shoot at you, just leave me alone. This guy just wasted his gadget. This colt just chased me down and killed me. Now that's amazing. So let's go another time. We can't hide in bushes. That's also another rule. We can't hide in bushes. So because if you hide in bushes, it'll just be too easy. So we can't hide in bushes. We have to just keep roaming around, and then a gale spawns right next to me. Can you just go collect boxes? Why you have to aim me? Go collect boxes, you. Okay, I failed the challenge. Now I have to die because I hit him. I failed the challenge, so let's try our luck again. Let's try our luck again. If it doesn't work with El Primo, I will change it up to using Rico or some other brawler. It depends. And I wish that Nani isn't coming for me. Okay, she isn't. Let me just try collecting this box. We are collecting boxes so I can increase my health to be alive against a Nani. I'm scared that somebody's in that area, and there's a Piper over there, and that Mr. P, I thought so. There's a Piper. The Mr. P is helping me a bit, but the Piper isn't, and now I gotta run. That Piper was selfish enough to go get the cube, so I survived that. There's a box over here. I'll try getting that. Okay. The Piper killed the Nani, and that 8-bit killed the Rico. And there's a Piper, and I feel there's somebody in the middle, so I'm just gonna stay here. Remember, I can't bush camp. One of the things I can't do. Don't come for me, robot. God, he's gonna teleport. I didn't hit him. I hit this, okay? So that doesn't count. I only hit the spawner. I did not hit 8 bits, so that doesn't count. Oh god. I gotta die now. I can't do anything else. That's it. Damn it. Let's see who wins. The 8-bit wins. So I think we failed it by the time we went inside the bush. So our goal is to try to do it in this map, because I'm doing it in this map because there is the Leon is coming there. There is a robot which might kill the last person and might have a chance to win. That's why I'm doing this challenge in this map, and that's that Nani. who spawned here who's come to collect the boxes. There might be some teaming going on so I don't die. How many nanis are there? I need to team so I can stay alive. For at least to get 4th place. That guy isn't coming for me, so he knows that I've teamed with him. And I can't backstab him because I can't even shoot him. He might be coming for me anytime. Yep. And then that is the... Come on, Motors, help me. Yes, finally, the robot. God, that was a bad idea. Damn it, I thought it would change course. I might die here. Think it's just so hard that you can't shoot. So I'm gonna switch it up into Rico or even Leon. Has a faster movement speed and easier to escape from people. So that could be useful. I was gonna say if I get the super I will be alright, but then I can't shoot people to get the super. So I team with the Tara, so the Tara won't kill me. So we got a teammate, a semi-teammate, and then that's that bow. And that's the Daryl. How is that nobody died yet? Oh, so they're all teaming? Okay. So I've teamed with them. In the end, I might just go and die in the storm because I hate teaming. But this is what we gotta do when you don't have the shooting button. Stop, please, Tara. I don't even know. I can't shoot. Oh my god, I failed the challenge. But still, we'll just see how the teamers are gonna win. If the teamers win, I'll get sad. I wish the Motors just kills us. I seriously do. I'm just gonna scare the Motors. Just gonna team with everybody. That's why I don't play solo showdown, because literally everybody teams. I also hate teaming, but this is what I gotta do when you can't shoot. Tara, me and 8-bit have teamed, but I think the Shelly doesn't like it. Come on, kill me. Stuck because of the Shelly. Betrayed. I got betrayed by Tara. And I just realized that the 8-bit went offline. And the Tara won. Damn it. I was hoping for the 8-bit to win, but Tara won. Okay, we'll just try another time. See, it might work. Or this challenge is just impossible. It's not that impossible, but still, people who know how to be good at the game can play. There is so many boxes in mid, but if I go mid I can't fight anybody. I can still collect boxes. I'm just scared to collect boxes when people are around because I might just mistakenly, or else I can't collect box. Without touching the bush. Leave me alone, Max. Damn it. So that's all. I don't think it is possible for me to win a game by just not shooting. So, and I don't want a team with everybody to win. So, I think it's technically impossible for me. But if you guys tried, and comment down below if you have succeeded, and like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what challenge should I do for the next one. Bye.